Hello friends, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I came with a very traditional Indian sweet recipe which has different names all over India, and mostly it is called as Chum Chum. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot, and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. Into some warm milk, add in some saffron strands and keep it aside. Now take 1 liter of milk and bring it to boil. After boiling, turn off the flame. Add around 2 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it. You can also use lime juice instead of vinegar. Now you can see the milk has curdled into big lumps like this. Now once it cools down, take a bowl and place a strainer with a muslin cloth and strain this. Now wash off the excess vinegar residue from it and hang it somewhere for half an hour until all the excess water is drained off. Now let's make the filling. Add some ghee into a pan. Once the ghee is melted, add milk. Add in some fresh cream. And this is optional. If you have it, you can add the fresh cream or you can skip it. Now add around half a cup of milk powder and mix it. Now if you have khoya available in your place, you can buy some khoya and add it with some warm saffron milk and make a soft dough and use that as a filling. But in some places the khoya is not available, so for them I'm showing a filling with the milk powder. Now once it starts to thicken, add some powdered sugar and the saffron milk mixture. Mix it again, and you have to cook this till it becomes really thick and separate from the pan and forms a big lump like this. Now after half an hour, take out the chenna which we were hanging to drain out the excess water. Crumble it. Add some all-purpose flour or maida, and you have to knead this really well for 2 minutes. Now this step is really important in making this sweet. If you don't knead it properly, then when you boil these balls in sugar syrup, it will break down into pieces. Now take small portions and make this into cylindrical shape like this. Now let's make the sugar syrup. Add some sugar and water into a pan and bring it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add some cardamom powder and add the chenna balls into the sugar syrup. Now cover it and cook this on a medium flame for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, you can see it has doubled up in size and it got cooked really well. Once it cools down, take each balls, give a slit, add the milk powder filling, slightly roll them in desiccated coconut, and garnish it with a slice of cherry. While cutting, you should be very careful. You should only give a slit and don't cut it into half. One single sweet with different names. Whatever we call them, it tastes really delicious. This is a perfect sweet you can try during any occasions. It is so simple and easy to make. The process of making this is very similar to rasgulla, but only difference is this is a rasgulla with a filling. And this sweet tastes so yum. So definitely try this recipe at home and leave me a comment if you like it. You can also share your recipe creations with our Facebook page. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. You can also watch interesting recipe videos from our channel Grey Pot. Please check it out. Thank you.